Now for some examples. Patrick wanted cool 3D stuff, but some of the machines only had 2D drawings. No problem, we converted his drawings into 3D models. He also felt that having a model of the machine is only half the story, and he was absolutely right. We used reality capture tech to make a model of his installation location, giving Patrick a full picture of the future story. Patrick did have one awesome vendor who was happy to give him their 3D models. Nice, but it crashed in VR. We optimized them because that's our thing, and now they run smooth like butter. Patrick said the machine had important moving parts, but the model was still. So we created animations, and his stakeholders found it very moving. Design reviews are long, and Patrick's stakeholders seem to be zoning out. When he threw AR and VR into the mix, the team really switched on, spotting problems and design opportunities left, right, and centre.